Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the new legendary Pokemon Miraidon. So before we get started, please feel free to like and comment, subscribe, maybe share with someone else who likes Pokemon. And all right, let's jump into it. So I'm going to start drawing with the eye. I'm going to do a circle. And inside that circle, let's almost draw directly across, but not all the way. And then I'm going to curve on down right here. Next, I'm going to do like a U shape and color that in all dark. And then I'm going to draw around that same shape. And then I'm going to do that again. Next, we can come on up a bit and come on down. And then we're going to go over to the side a little bit and come on back in, and then the side again and back in. Now over here, we can do a little shape like that. And then we can come on down and do like a little bit of a curve right here. And now we can start to give the face a bit of a shape here. So I'm going to come on up. Really, really long face shape here. And I'm going to draw across a little bit right here. And kind of coming from the eye shape, we've got kind of looks like almost like thunderbolts. So we can just kind of start to do some like crazy shapes, thundery shapes. And they can just go all the way up. I'm gonna finish this head shape here. And then we can bring them down. And we're going to branch off and do another one. And bring it back to that eye. And now underneath, like right here, we can do another circle. And inside that, we can do another circle. And then we can go over here to where we're going to do the mouth. So we can come on up a little bit, and then we can come on down, and then bring that line all the way to that circle we made. And then the bottom part of the mouth, let's do that, and just bring that line all the way to that circle. And we can do two little like triangles here, kind of sharp pointy triangles or V shapes. And right here we can do a rounded shape. This is going to be like the eye, but it's on the other side, so we can't really see it the same. We can do like a couple little lines right here, and we can do the same like kind of crazy thunderbolt kind of shapes that we were doing on the other eye. So if I'm going too fast, feel free to pause or go back a bit, and then play again whenever you're ready. Sometimes I can go a little bit fast. Or maybe I'm going too slow and you need to speed up a bit. Okay, so we've got that much done so far. Next, we are going to do a little funny line right here. So it's just like a little itty bitty curve kind of thing. And then it's like he's got a great big like puffed up chest. So we're curving, bringing that on down. And now we're going to come on up like that. And right here, that circle we made, just underneath that, we can draw a rounded line right here. And that is going to follow that same kind of curve we just made. And then we're going to follow that again. And we can put a few lines in right here. One there, one there, one right there. And now I'm going to do a little shape like this right here. And right here, it's kind of coming down a little bit in like a little bit of a V. And then coming down again. And do a little point. And then another little point here. And come on up. And then we're going to do that again. Just down here. And another one. All right, now let's do another curvy line. It's going to follow that same curved shape. All right, so next let's do a line from here. It's going to be a bit of a curved line, and then we're just gonna kind of make it curve this way and then come on up a little bit. And then bring it back around this way. And then outward. So we got a funny little shape like this now. And then we can do a little shape like this right here, and another one right there above it. All right, so right here we can do a little, almost like a circle, but like not quite. Right there. It's kind of like a little shoulder. And now let's bring down these two lines for an arm. And now let's do a little curve right here, like a U shape. And then a little line here, a little one right here. This is going to continue going down. And then we'll do we'll bring this line and curve it right here. Next, let's kind of extend this line and kind of round it out a little. And we can do like a triangle shape right here. And another one, but bigger. And this one's going to have a line going through right here. It's a thick line. And then we've got like another triangle like right here. And put a little line right there. And I'm going to put a line here. And this is going to continue curving and meet with this line here. And I'm going to put another one right here. All right, so right over here, we can follow this V kind of shape and bring it on up and draw downward and upward, and then in kind of under the arm area. And I'm going to put a little line right here too. Now we're going to do a line right here. right here we can do a rounded line. Over here we can do the same. And we can do kind of a little curved shape right here. This area here, we're going to put a line kind of slanting downward right here. Now we can put a little, kind of almost like a hook line right there, but finish it off right there. And we can put a line right here and another one following it. And draw upward. And now we can follow this curve and draw downward. And then a little curve right here. And then 2 lines. Now over on this side, we can do a curve. And we're going to put a line right here. It's a curvy, squiggly kind of line. And a rounded one right here. Now, right here, we're going to do just a little shape like this, almost like a triangle. And then we're going to come on up. And come on back down. And it's getting a little bit wider as we're getting closer downward. And I'm going to draw upward, and then a little line right here, and then downward. Now over here we need like another arm. So let's do a bit of a claw right here, and then another one, and another one. And we can put a little shape right here in the middle one. Now let's do a shape like this on the bottom, and then a little curve right here. And then we can come on down from that, and from here. And then go this way. And then right here, we can draw a little line connecting to right there, and then another one. And then we can kind of do a bit of a squiggle right here. And then this line is going to continue and meet up right there. Okay, so now we've got our drawing all drawn, and I'm going to add some color. All right, everyone, we are finished our drawing. Let me know in the comments below how yours turned out, and also please let me know in the comments what you would like to learn how to draw next. And I hope you have a super duper wonderful awesome day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, goodbye!